Um, Hello, this is Joseph Alexander Van Zandt. Today I am demonstrating a program which I wrote, which I will explain. This is the program code for the program. This program code is in Liberty Basic, which is a computer language associated with the general version of Basic. This program, which I wrote, is a program in general probability. You are asked to enter the number which you wish to see on 2 dice. Meaning, if you take 2 dice, each dice has 6, 1 through 6 numbers on it, and there are 2 of them. Meaning, the minimum is 2, the maximum is 12. The program rolls the dice a number of times to get what you're asking. For example, in front of the screen it says enter the number on the dice you would like to see. Okay, I'm going to enter 12, and then enter. Okay, enter the total number of times you wish to see 12. Meaning that if you wish to see 12, let's say 13 times, that's what you'll enter. So I'm going to enter 13. Then it's going to roll the dice. So in this example, it says that the total number of 12s that were rolled in 361 rolls is 13. Okay. I'm going to do this again several times. Okay. Okay, again at the bottom it's asking, enter the number that you would like to see on the dice. I'm going to put 12, okay, enter. But this time I'm going to put 1,000 times. Let's see how many rolls that has to take. What you see is past number, each past number means the dice are rolled 1 time. The computer is still rolling the dice. So this time we rolled the dice approximately 3,000 times. Okay, so it's saying now that the total number of 12s, in other words, the computer rolled the dice 37,120 times to get 1,012s, which is what I asked it for in the beginning. Okay, so this is a program in general probability. I'll do this one more time. Okay. Okay, enter the number you like to see. This time I'm going to say 7. Enter the number of times you wish to see 7. I'm going to put 1,000. Enter. 1,000. Okay. Okay, so the computer's rolling the dice again 1,000 times. In the test that I did, 12 is the hardest number to get. You have to roll the dice the most number of times to get 12. 7 is the easiest. You have to roll the dice the least number of times to get 7. So in this example, you have to roll the dice 6,077 times to get 1,000 sevens. Okay. But this is a general program. It works. You can enter virtually any number there, any number of times, as long as the computer has to. The computer can operate. This laptop computer can operate for a total of 30 hours. It can roll the dice a total of 3.5 million times before the RAM goes to 0. So it has to be, as long as it's less than 30 hours and as long as it's less than 3.5 million times, it works. All right, I'll do this one more time. At this time, I'm gonna roll the number 2. I wanna run the program again. Enter the number of times the number 2, and the number of times I'm gonna put 1,000. Okay, that's gonna roll. It's now rolling the dice. So what the program is seeing, how many times you have to roll the dice to get to 1,000 times. Okay, this is a computer program that has a random access, a random series dice roll. You can see how many times in the random series you have to roll the dice to get to 1,000 times. Okay, so the total number of times the dice was rolled was 35,457. At the bottom it says that. You roll it that many times, you get to 1,000 times. Okay, so this is a program in general probability. This is Joseph Alexander Van Zandt. Thank you for listening. Thank you for thank you for listening. Have a good day.